Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily get the dot crosshair in Counter-Strike 2. Let's dive right into it. First, locate the settings menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and navigate to the game settings. Here. From there, head to the crosshair tab, which is the 8th option of the menu. Once you're in the crosshair tab, scroll down until you see the share or import feature. Click on it, and a box will appear where you can paste a crosshair code. For the dot crosshair, copy the code provided on the screen and paste it in the box. Once it's done, click Import to apply the settings. After importing, your new crosshair will automatically update to the dot style. You can now return to the game and enjoy playing with the new dot crosshair, which is ideal for precise aiming and pro-level gameplay.